If you're posting on LinkedIn, but your posts aren't getting much traction, this might be the reason. Most people think LinkedIn growth comes from posting more content, but the fastest growing accounts I see are doing something else in addition to posting. They are spending 15 minutes a day in conversations. And today I'm going to show you the simple routine that turns LinkedIn posts into actual network growth. My name is Louise Brogan and I help coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs and professionals who want to raise their visibility online with LinkedIn. And we do this through our accelerated group program. Go and check out the link below in the show notes and join our next group. All right, let's get into the problem. To help you with this, I've created 25 ideas or templates on comments that you can write that are going to raise your profile on LinkedIn. If you'd like a copy of that, go and grab that down below in the show notes as well. That is complete. All right, the problem. A lot of people are doing the hard part already. Not as many as I'd like to see. I think you guys are. You're creating thoughtful posts, you're sharing insights, you're trying to show up consistently, but then something frustrating is happening, and this is me, I'm experiencing this myself. You get a few likes, you might get a comment, and then it disappears into the feed. And you start thinking, is this even worth the effort? Even on posts that I am doing that are getting, I have a post recently of 32 comments on it. And even that post is not getting the visibility that I want. However, LinkedIn growth does not come from content alone. It comes from content and conversation. So think about LinkedIn as being like a conference. Posting is like you giving a talk, but the business and the growth happens after the talk when you're having conversations with people after you come off stage. If you skip that part, your content doesn't travel very far. It's why the fastest growing people on LinkedIn are doing something quietly every day. They spend 15 minutes contributing to conversations. So just think about this. You go on stage at a conference and you give a talk, and if people then leave the room and go off and get their coffee and don't have conversations about the thing you just talked about, you are not getting the impact that you want. So what we want to do is make an impact and have people having conversations, and you're joining those conversations as well. I call this the quiet networking routine. It takes 15 minutes of your day, 3 simple steps, and it works alongside your posting strategy, not instead of it. Step 1 is the bell strategy. Okay, find 5 to 10 people in your industry or network who attract the audience that you want to reach. These could be founders, consultants, creators, industry leaders. Go to their profile, follow them, click the notification bell. Now, whenever they post, LinkedIn will notify you, which means you can join high visibility conversations early. I'm just going to show you an example here of a friend of mine, Andrew, who runs an event called Atomicon. By the way, if you want to learn more strategies like this about using LinkedIn for business, then join our membership below. And the people who have commented underneath it, if you just look, there's a strategy behind what they're doing. Now, we're going to do this in an authentic way, but it's interesting to see it in action. Okay, so number 2, the thoughtful comment. So instead of leaving comments like, great post, totally agree, write what I call a thoughtful comment. Think of this as a mini insight inside the conversation. So, for example, add your perspective. So, that's really interesting, Andrew. When I was running my event, I saw something similar with my clients where this happened. What about your experience of that? Just think about this conversational, guys. So, expand the idea. This reminds me of something we've noticed recently, and then go into that conversation. Share a micro story. We experienced this with a client recently, and the big lesson was, an example of this was today, somebody was talking about the adoption of AI inside industries and organisations, and it reminded me of when I worked in the health service, and in order to get the staff on the ground to adopt whatever new software we were bringing along, you had to win hearts and minds. So that was the comment that I left, which I can show you here, because it reminded me of a previous story. These kinds of comments help the creator, the poster, Add value to the readers and make people curious about you, and then they go and click on your profile to learn more. Number 3, the soft connection. So you can take this a step further. After you leave the comment, send a connection request and mention the post. For example, hey Sarah, I liked your post about onboarding earlier. I left a comment about something similar we've seen with clients as well. I thought it'd be good to connect. Nice, simple, there's no push, there's no sales. That's it. A natural connection that started with a conversation. This all really just comes back to basics of networking with human beings. When you combine posting and thoughtful comments, 2 things happen. Your posts are building your authority. Your comments are building visibility and relationships. And together, that's when LinkedIn is really starting to work for you. One member of my community recently tried this. He left a thoughtful comment on a post from someone in his industry, and that single comment generated over 4,000 impressions. Now, the key here is to be strategic and think about where you're leaving your contributions to conversations. And LinkedIn is becoming more and more like this, guys. So here is a simple experiment for you to do. Over the next 5 days, keep your posting up. So do your 2 to 3 posts a week. Try and do a newsletter if you can, but also put 15 minutes a day into doing this routine. Follow a few people by ringing their bell, leave thoughtful comments and connect with people in those conversations and see what happens. If you're already posting on LinkedIn, this could be the missing piece that unlocks real growth. If you'd like the 25 comment templates I've put together, they are in a free playbook linked below. And if you're interested in building a simple LinkedIn content system, that is exactly what we cover on this channel and in depth in our accelerator program. So subscribe here and reach out if you'd like to join our next cohort.